Постой. Смотри, давайте. Смотри.
A powerful snowstorm hit the south of Sakhalin. More than 200 units of equipment were sent to fight the elements in Yuzhno-Sakhalinsk. Streets, footpaths, stops and parking lots are trying to clear snow. The administration of the regional center reports there are no interruptions in the city with both heat and water, electricity and gas. The state of emergency in Yuzhno-Sakhalinsk was declared early in the morning. Residents of the regional capital were not surprised by this. Those who went to work struggled to overcome the snow drifts and resisted the storm wind. The cyclone on the island has been raging for the second day already. In many yards there is snow the size of a human being. By evening, the weather on the island is expected to worsen further. Winds of up to 25 meters per second are expected in some areas, and a mini hurricane is predicted in the Kuril Islands. Schools in 8 districts of Sakhalin have switched to distance learning. Flights have been cancelled.
Моя машина, вид сзади. Это вот соседская.
Юга ревет, скоро все заметет. Тропы, тропы.
Плохая погода. Хорошая погода любая. Это кто-то из вас плохой. Погода не нравится.
Snow falls on Sakhalin. What's next? The snow drifts reach 2 meters in height. A powerful cyclone is raging on Sakhalin. Wet snow and hurricane winds up to 35 meters per second practically paralyzed the island. More than 7,000 residents were left without electricity due to bad weather, the press service of the regional government reports. Due to the blizzard, all school children have been transferred to distance learning. Kindergartens are working as usual. Rescuers, workers of public utilities and transport services are busy clearing snow on the roads around the clock. Traffic in a number of directions is closed due to drifts. Technology cleans the streets, but an hour later it sweeps everything up again. The central streets have been cleared, to the clinic, the bakery. We are not going to courtyards and remote streets yet, the mayor said.
Дорогие друзья, Сахалин, весь в снегу. Смотрите, все, невозможно пройти, нету тропинки. Вот в моей машине красавица, пробираюсь.
Было зимы в городах и селах, никогда б не знали мы этих дней веселых. Ла-ла-ла-ла-ла-ла-ла.
In the Smirnikovsky district, near the village of Pervomaisk, the driver of a grader, aimed at clearing the road, disappeared. The man left for work at 5 o'clock in the morning and still does not give signals. An avalanche descended not far from Pervomaisk. Perhaps the grader was buried under the snow. A detachment of the Ministry of Emergency Situations is looking for the driver on 2 KAMAZ trucks. The rescuers have 2 snowmobiles and a snow and swamp vehicle. They are assisted by employees of the district administration, the police, as well as caring residents. The blizzard does not stop in the area. An ambulance got under an avalanche. The driver escaped by a miracle. He went out to meet another team, whose car was stuck in a snowdrift. The vehicle had to be hauled out using an excavator. In the Tymovsky district of the Sakhalin region, due to a powerful cyclone, 1-story residential buildings were covered with snow up to the roof. To get inside, people have to build tunnels. It is especially difficult for rural residents, because of the bad weather. They don't even have electricity. It's dark in the houses, because the windows are completely visible. The windows are cracking from the onslaught of snow. We climb out of a hole, trample paths, people crawl around too. We have stove heating in our houses. We have to crawl for firewood to the barn. You need to pull it out, transfer it to the house, said Dmitry Levchenko, a resident of the village of Molodezhnoye in the Timovsky district.